Hey guys, I'm back. I hope everybody is doing well and everybody is healthy. I know that these times that we are going through currently are very difficult and very scary, but I did want to come on here and film a video for you guys just to bring back a little bit more sense of normalcy, because I do know that when I'm home, as most of us are now, we're stuck at home, I like to watch these kinds of videos and just get my mind off of things. So for today's video, I have two unboxings, and these are complete true unboxings. I have not opened these whatsoever. We have a Givenchy package and we have a Louis Vuitton package. So we can start with Louis. I'm really excited about this one because it's been out of stock forever. I have been stalking the website, like I did say in my previous video. I was stalking the website and it finally said add to bag, so that's what I did, and here it is. So let's get to opening. Uh-oh. So as always with online purchases, you get your receipt, and here's the box. Oh, it looks so tiny. Oh wow. Oh, that reminds me. So there is no ribbon on these packages because Louis Vuitton is trying to limit the people that package our things. So because of what's going on, so there are less packaging, no ribbon, no card. All right, so here it is. It's so tiny. So I got the Palm Springs mini. This cute little backpack. It's so pretty. Very cute. And of course you all know that these come with straps. There's two separate straps in there with a booklet, and the textile card is in there as well. And I'm pretty sure you all know what this looks like, so I'm not going to go into more detail unless you want me to. But here's my first purchase. Super cute. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Alright, so that's that. Okay, and now for my second unboxing, let's move on to the Givenchy package, which I received today as well. So let's open these. I have my scissors. Okay, let's open these. Ooh. Well, I actually broke a sweat opening that one. This was like completely sealed. Whew. Lord. Okay, finally got into the box. It looks like that. Alright, so finally got into the box, and what I ordered were the slides. I am a true 6.5 in US sizes, and according to their size chart, a 6.5 is a 37 in European sizes. So let's just hope that these actually fit, because you know, since all the stores are closed and everything, I have no idea. So I really hope so. I'm sure. Okay, this is a return label and receipt, and I don't know what this is. A little booklet. Ooh, nice dust bag. And just by looking at these, I can tell that they fit. I'm like super excited. Yay. It is, you know, it's a little bit nerve-wracking to order shoes, especially online, and especially when you have no idea how the sizing is going to be. Like, I've never owned a pair of Givenchy, so, you know, you never know. But these are so cute. Look at these. They're just these regular rubber slides just to hang out in. I think they're super cute, even with my little backpack here. They're gonna be super cute. So that is all for my 2 unboxings today, and actually I am getting another package tomorrow, and those are Christian Louboutin heels. They are my first purchase, so it'll be the same thing like with these slides. I have no idea if they're gonna fit, so tune in for that video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.